Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex. Today's word is boil, an A2 level verb meaning to heat liquid until it bubbles. Boil means to heat a liquid to the point where it becomes very hot and bubbles appear on its surface, like when we make tea or cook pasta. It's a very common word we use in the kitchen. Now let's explore some synonyms. Words like simmer, meaning to cook at a gentle boil, and stew, meaning to boil slowly for a long time, are similar but describe different levels of heating. For example, the soup is simmering gently on the stove, or the meat is stewing for 2 hours. Now let's look at antonyms. Words with opposite meanings include freeze, meaning to turn into ice, and chill, meaning to make something cold. For example, we need to freeze the ice cream, or I'll chill the drinks for later. In everyday life, you might hear phrases like, let the water boil, or the kettle is boiling. You could say, I need to boil water for the noodles, or the pot is starting to boil. Another phrase you might hear is, the water is at a rolling boil, meaning it's really bubbling hard. Some other examples are, don't let the sauce boil too much, and she's going to boil the eggs. So, to summarize, boil means to heat a liquid until bubbles appear. It's similar to simmer and stew, and its opposite is to freeze or chill. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn too. Finally, create your own sentence using the word boil and share it as a comment below this video.